And now we have some starters here for both squads. It starts with UP. It's RV Puyos, Ugana, Coronel, Palanca, and Sean Alter. And for Alicia naman, it's Salado, Concepcion, Ariar, Calo, and Emmanuel Ojula. We're all set here for first quarter. UP Fighting Maroons against Alicia, ex-municipality.
Alam mo, itong Municipality of Alicia, Nino, yung lineup nila loaded din ha. Talking about Emmanuel Ojola, former FEU Tamaraw. For Ariar naman, former Letran Knight Salado, former PBA player, Concepcion, former USC Growling Tigers, and Eman Calo, former UV Green Lancers.
Emmanuel Ojola at the post against Sean Alters. Eman Calo, it was a good start for him. Last game nila, coach, against DLSU.
Exactly, good point there. Again, talking about Eman Calo, his scoring has been, nowadays, he's been a deadly from the outside. You know, I played with this guy noon. He's used to be really a good defender. No, marunong tong pumasa, high IQ player. But all along, all these years, you know, nag-practice kasi. There's no secret about basketball. You know, if you really work hard, hard work always pays off.
At the line, your kababayan, it's Miguel Palanca.
Yes, the pride of Magallanes, Agusan del Norte, Miguel Palanca.
Ojula to KDRR, the former Letran KDRR, the former Letran Knight, also played for MPBL in Caloocan. Coronel, bounce pass. Palanca with a slamma jamma.
Bastos yun! What a pass there, Coronel to Palanca.
Oh,
Unselfish play.
Putting some highlights. Umpisa pa lang ng ating bakbakan, Coach Paul.
Yes.
Palanca, meron na kaagad slam dunk doon and a highlight as Eman Calo grabs that fade away. Miss shot for Eman Calo. But another Eman with a rebound. That's Ojula. Puyos. Fake for Ugana. Shot clock at 17. Off the glass. The bank is open at 8:35.
What a shot there for Ugana. Alam mo, minsan na lang tayo nakakita gumagamit ng boarding. No? If I remember it like, ang magaling dyan sa PBA, si Berhel Meneses.
Oo, ano yung naabutan nyo? Ojula again sa ilalim. Pinapahirapan dito sina Sean Alters and itong sina Miguel Palanca.
It will be a long night here for Sean Alter. Sigurado yan. And he will learn the way he plays against Ojola.
Another off the glass. That's on Palanca.
Alam mo yung mga dunk na ganun kay Palanca, nabibigyan ka ng kumpiyansa ninyo. As you can see on that spin move, Looper using the board.
8-2 UP with a 6-point lead. KDRR, we know he has that range, but we see him seldom take that shots, coach, for KDRR.
Yeah, exactly. I told him na kailangan mo itira. Kasi nga kailangan ka magiging threat. Ariar, all his life, he's been a wingman, but nung pumunta siya sa Letran, nagiging convertible 3 and 4.
Miss shot for the Fighting Maroons. Here comes Kent Salado in transition against RV Puyos. Salado wants to go inside. Picked up that one. Fires miss.
You see how Salado maneuver there. Yun yung mga Gortat screen na ginawa ni Ojola doon. Sayang hindi lang pumasa, but what a good snake there for Salado.
Puyos fires. Ando na naman si Palanca.
6 straight points now for Miguel Palanca, the pride of Magallanes, Agusan del Norte.
Miguel Palanca unguarded that time. It was an easy deuce for him. Ojula goes cross-court. Sherwin Concepcion, the former USD player.
Again, talking about Miguel Palanca, Nino, he last played for the NU Nuns. For the Nuns.
Ngayon muna, coach, may report tayo coming from Flo Del Agua.
Para daw kay Sherwin Concepcion, nagiging nostalgic siya sa tournament na ito. Parang binabalik daw kasi siya sa UST days niya na ang nakakalaban, DLSU last game, at ngayon naman UP na tila ba nababalik yung UAAP rivalry na environment. By the way, Concepcion is playing his first year with Alicia Welek. Isa siya sa mga pinakabagong additions ni Coach Caro. Kaya nga daw nagawa niya yung 21 points last game. Parang sasabihin niya lang na gusto niyang ipakita na hindi sayang yung pagkuha niyo sa akin. Ninyo and Coach Paul.
Thank you so much, Flo. Akala ko UST kasi naka-yellow yung jersey nila ng Welek, But, good thing din. Kasi nga, dahil na-add itong si Concepcion because he was a former player for Coach Caro under Basilan Star Horse.
Yeah, exactly. And he also can really stretch the floor here. As you can see here, old school move for once young Emmanuel Ojola, the former FEU King Tamarao.
For old school move, but it's effective for a big man like Emmanuel Ojola, Coach,
So imagine mo yung kapanahunan niya. Kaya maraming gumaling na big man. Ugsang, Ibonya.
Ibonya.
Nakalaro niya yan dun eh.
Remar Jose.
Raymar Jose.
Tsaka madami pa, for FEU as Ugana knocks down that victory.
Ugana, after resting a day kahapon, is now very energized now for the Fighting Maroons.
Ojola. Over the head pass to Eman Calo, almost in the end one for Eman.
Smart move there for Eman Calo. Ninyo nakita niya, nag-trail sa defense. Itong Ugana, clearly walang espasyo doon.
Eman Calo is a 30-ish here, Coach, but alam naman natin, Eman Calo, just like an well-oiled machine, Itong pride ng Mabini, Compostela, Cebu. The Calo brothers, yung tatlong Calo, yung isang Calo, yung kuya, si Arnold, yun yung nag-PBA. The other brother naman, si Kim Calo, alam din natin na magaling din in Cebu.
Point guard yun,
Oo.
UV din.
Tsaka mataas na point guard, ha?
Yes, I think I played with him 1 year lang.
And right now, may bagong pasok dito for Welek, ex-municipality of Alicia. It's Neil Tolentino. Palanca, fires. Wow, he is everywhere now, Coach. Ito si Miguel Palanca.
3 out of 4 now from the field. First time he made that jumper. Also another player for Welek and Municipality of Alicia. That is Wawi Escosio, the former Sisafi MVP and former UV Green Lancers.
And Joffrey Santos also for the Municipality of Alicia. And Duawi Escosio, that is his shot.
Matic yan. Pag mga perimeter shot, 15-footer, automatic. That is his game. That is in his bag.
In good shape ngayon, itong si Kuya Wawi Escosio.
Kung nakita mo kami kanina, nag-usap kami, sabi niya, Coach Paul, kasi sabi ko, uy wow, nag-weights ka na pala. Ang sagot kung hindi tumanda, hindi naka-realize. Pero anong sabi ko, at least naka-realize.
Naka-realize, di ba? Jeffrey Santos steps back, fires for 2. That's good for Jeffrey Santos.
This guy is a certified baller.
Baller, I love this game for Jeffrey Santos. Puyos, nice find to Alters. Good stop by Wawi Escosio.
Yeah, but I like that pass ninyo of Puyos. Very unselfish.
Too strong for Eman Calo. 17-11. The push for UP. Puyos takes some breath. Oh, missed shot. Palanca with another rebound. 8 seconds to shoot. Oh! Ugana in front of Tolentino.
If you see that jump step, hesitation, step back jumper, degree of difficulty ninyo, 3.0. Kung
Over
swimming to. Hindi, kung diving pala to.
Here comes the run again. Pull up. That's good for 2. A slow and silent run for UP Fighting Maroons. That's Coronel knocking down the 2-pointer. Here comes Calo. Fires for 3. Missed shot. Tolentino was fouled by Miguel Palanca. And we have some players at the official stable here.
New player now also for UP Nino. This is the first time I've seen this guy. Number 81, Melicor. Very young. So binibigyan to ng mga kumpiyansa ni Coach Goldwyn Monteverde. And yun na nga, James Payusing playing from the bench. You know, this guy is a certified assassin ninyo.
Sanjo lets it fly in front of Odudu.
Kuya Sanjo against the young Odudu.
Melikor finds the floor. Odudu wants to attack one-on-one. Euro step denied by Landry Sanjo. 22-13.
King Sanjo. The former Southwestern King Cobra.
Jeffrey Santos. Before that, let's take a look at this stuff by Landry Sanjo. Reading that move of Dodo well, alam niya, nag-Eurostep na before sa mukha niya no? Alam niya kung saan papunta.
Exactly. Gusto kong so lang kumanta yung ginawa ni Odudu. Yung parang, watch me whip,
Web, oo.
watch me nene. Again, maayong gabi kanina tanan. Especially, watching us live. Idol Ran Rose. Idol Ronald Bahuyo. Dami.
3.5 or make the 3.8,000 live viewers. Shout out sa inyo ang tanan.
Bilan kita ng eyeglass bukas. Again, this feature is brought to you by Vice Governor Richard Rick Oligario.
Thank you so much. Treatment last night, Boss Rick. Ang sarap ng proven tsaka ng Kropik doon.
Mas maganda yung ginawa natin kanina,
Pickleball, oo. With the board member, Doc
Ralph and
Kraft.
Pava. Board member Pava. The head for tourism of Zamboanga Sibugay.
It's out of bounds for Kingsley Odudu. 2 minutes for the opening quarter. Jeffrey Santos will bring this one down against a smaller Melikor. Here comes Sanjo. One-on-one against Odudu. Nakaabang yung help dito. Mingito. This guy also. First shot for Vincent Mingito.
When in doubt, shoot there. Mingito, the hero of the double overtime win against the Green Archers.
Recap lang for our viewers. Vincent Mingito has only 3 attempts on that game 1 against DLSU. And that first attempt, that's only his miss. At yung dalawa, yun yung nakakuha ng kanilang panalo.
Hindi nga siya pinasok eh. Na-foul out lang tong
Si
Eman
Calo.
Calo. Nung pagpasok, kumain pa ng mani.
Mani daw.
Nag-trending to. Pagpasok, nilagay yung mani dito sa Gedli. Pag-catch and shoot, tira. Yun naman talaga yung trabaho eh.
Second free throw for Odudu.
Soft hands.
No. Sabi nga ni Coach Kim kanina no, na itong mga FSA tsaka imports dito pagdating nila ng Pilipinas, nag-i-improve yung mga free throw shooting nila dahil nga suki sila sa linya na yan.
Oo.
Whoa. Joffrey Santos again. That's a push against Melikor. Gusto niyang ipagpag doon. Itong si Melikor. Let's take a look at this crossover. Itong Joffrey Santos. You want to take advantage with the huge steps of him.
Yeah, really a foul there for Milicor. Kitang-kita natin ninyo, bata pa to, maybe 1 to 2 more years sa reserve. You just need to, bow down, work hard. No days off.
23-19. Melikor to Andres. Andres tries to attack. Gives it to Odudu. That's a push on Huawei Scotia.
If I'm the fans underneath the rim, I need to be careful.
Oo.
Mga malalaki to.
Tsaka tong cameraman natin.
Oo,
Malaki din yan ha.
Si Junjun, pinakamaliit yan dito. 4'5", 4'6" yung height na yan.
Gabi ka naman kay Junjun.
Elmer Chavez now, first time seeing this guy. Former San Jose great. San Jose Jaguars.
Andres with a fake. Andres fires. Misses. Rebound. Kita mo naman yung mga player.
Umalis eh.
Umalis eh. Ang laki ni Odudu eh.
Si Cubriones, Rimogan. Maga. They're not there.
Siyempre.
Hindi sila ready to catch yung teammate nila. So, baka siguro sa practice, ramdam nila ang bigat.
Sakit siguro pag naano ka ng blind screen, you know? Another steal for the yellow shirts of Welek X Alessia. Mingito, ultra green light. Bumalik pa. Hindi lang pumasok. For Vincent Mingito. That's out of bounds, by the way.
If I'm Coach Caro and Coach Roel Tor, that's his job. Let him shoot.
Let him shoot, you know. Knowing Vincent Mingito, he is a volume shooter, coach, you know. And yung mga shoot niya, hindi malalapit. Ayaw niya nang malapit sa linya.
First player here. First time we've seen it. Di makulangan for UP fighting Maroons.
The save to the corner. Wide open. All day to shoot. That's a short one. Rebound Tolentino. Tolentino tries to attack. Scans the floor. Here comes Mingito. Fade away pass kay Joffrey Santos. 23-9. Joffrey Santos battles out. Tolentino picks it up and flexing his muscle.
The Energizer.
Neil Tolentino. But before that, let's take a look at this drive. Ito si Joffrey Santos. Kita mo kung saan galing itong si Tolentino. Tumakbo, tumiming, pumulot lang ng bola, coach.
It's so nice. We need to see it twice. Tolentino stamping his feet. Alam mo, basketball kasama yan eh. Entertainment.
And engaging the crowd here in Zamboanga, Sibugay. Maybe some of them are here because they want to see that celebration of Neil Tolentino in front, coach. Yung gaganyanin ka sa harap.
Pwede. Pero, depende.
Oo. Espayosing right now. Tahimik pa sa ating first quarter. Seconds left here. Payosing. Fires, misses. Odudu with a save. No more shot clock. Here's Milicor, and that's a foul.
It's a bad foul there for Ichabes. They're now on the penalty. Oh, they're one more foul, rather.
So it's gonna be an inbound.
Last shot na to.
First personal foul, number 16.
4.8 seconds. Milicor. The tap to Odudu. That's good off the glass.
What a play there by Di Makulangan. Smart play.
Second game po ngayong gabi. Municipality of Alicia X Welek. Joffrey Santos against Milicor. It's 25-22 by the way. Kaka-tune in pa lang po. Kanina nanalo ang DLSU against Zamboanga Valientes. Ngayon, this is our second game. Their shot clock. James Payosing. First three-point shot.
When in doubt, shoot there. That is his first three-point shot. 1 out of 2 so far from the outside.
They want to give it to Sanjo. Look at that dive of Kingsley Odudu, coach.
Good defense there for Odudo. He will really learn with the King Cobra himself. Former Southwestern University player.
Sa batch na yun, Sanjo, ang daming nag-PBA, no?
Dami.
Si Rene,
Rene Pacquiao, ako,
Monbert,
Talio.
Talio.
Yeah, dami.
Madami. That's a foul on Santos. 9 and 17, substitution. Raymart Escobido and Eman Calo check in for Municipality of Alicia X Welek. Raymart Escobido, the pride of Surigao City.
Yes, former San Sebastian Stags.
9 minutes and 17 seconds.
28-22, Milicor. Goes to Odudu. Hahanapin si Payosing. Tries to drive, drives it to Odudu. The fake, one-hander, that's good for Kingsley Odudu.
I think there was a foul there. Odudo asking for a foul. Mahirap din i-coach yan, ha? Kasi, or rather, i-referee yan. Malalaki kasi.
Oo. Kita mo yung banggaan, Sanjo tsaka Odudu, eh, no? Kick out, Calo, Mingito, corner 3, miss shot. That's out of bounds.
Still a good ball movement there for Municipality of Alicia. the Season 1 champion. That's why this is dubbed the Battle of Champions here in Ipil, Zamboanga, Sibugay.
It's 30-22. Vincent Mingito will take some rest here. Sherwin Concepcion. I love the, yung tao-tao na substitution ni Coach Caro dito, no? It's off the glass by Andres. Up by 10 points itong UP Fighting Maroons. Gani Stevens, by the way, will not play for UP Fighting Maroons ngayon. Sanjo
parang
again.
apat yan, ha?
Calo fires for 3. Miss shot. Rebound by Andres.
Eman Calo still misfiring so far. Maaga pa naman to.
Miss shot again. The rebound goes to King Sanjo. 32-23.
Good defense again shown there for Ududo. Sean Alter now will come back in for UP Fighting Maroons. Good playing minutes there for Ududo. Playing like this, Nino, it will really give you experience. That's why Coach Goldwyn Monteverde is really using all of his players coming here in Ipil, Zamboanga, Sibugay. 20 players.
Sanjo with a kick out. Goes to Escobedo. 5 seconds to shoot. Escobedo needs to fire. Chavez fires for 3. Miss shot. Sean Alter with a rebound. To the corner. That is James Payosing. That's another short.
Ooh! What a drive there. Strong move by James Payosing. Bastos yun.
And we have a timeout for Alicia X Uwelik here. It is 34-22. Let's take a look at this drive by James Payosing in front of Landry Sanjo, attacking the Great Wall of China. We'll be right back. We have a timeout. Uwelik.
Exactly. Again, credit to Coach Kim Reyes. Statistician natin dito. Parang gustong magpadagdag eh.
34-22. Calo continues to try. And finally, a basket for Eman Calo.
This time, Eman Calo making his first 3-point shot. What a pass there. James Payosing. Good seal by Sean Alter.
Sean Alter, too big, too strong, too wide to push, coach, no? Eman Calo, another try in front of Ugana.
Eman Calo, after making his first shot, very aggressive now. Kasi nga 11 na to eh, lumulobo na.
Second personal.
6:55. Eman Calo at the line right now. The pride of Mabini, Compostela, Cebu. Shoutout sa pamilya ni Calo. I'm pretty sure they're watching.
Eh, syempre yung pamilya niya at saka asawa.
Oo.
Matik yan.
Tsaka yung mga kamag-anak. That last year, grabe yung balot na binigay ni Calo dito. Umabot nato yung 20. Nagmukbang kami ng balot dun sa hotel eh.
Dami ha.
2 for Eman Calo. 36-27.
Coronel now and Ariar for their respective teams. Bumalik na. Fresh legs.
6 minutes and 50.
Here is RV Puyos against Raymart Escobedo. 12 seconds to shoot.
Oh, good
Give
pass.
it go to Sean Alters. Miss shot for Sean. Calo tries to attack. That's a foul.
Good foul there for Andres. Trying to stop that fast break. Eman Calo, medyo nakatersera na ninyo. Kanina, segunda tsaka primera pa lang.
Oo, dumiretso na eh, no? Stepping up his gas. Eman Calo, kahit ilan pa kayo diyang nakamaroon, I'm gonna attack you guys. Lamang kayo eh.
Oo.
Kailangan namin ng puntos.
Parang sa isip niya, isama niyo pa pamilya niyo.
Oo. 3 days and 2 nights pa.
Oo. Plus one night
That's
mo na.
one night.
Para magiging 1 weeks.
I have some bad spot here. No, coach, shoutout na natin yung mga viewers natin dyan. Mga
Oh,
nanonood.
sige, tingnan natin.
18 seconds. Escobedo. That's a foul on Puyos.
Referee's gloves is whistled for a foul call against number
Mga nanonood sa atin dito ngayon. Happy watching sa inyo po. Ito, magandang gabi. Hanap muna tayo.
This free throw is brought to you by Governor Dr. Ann Hofer.
Shoutout tayo kina mga nanonood sa atin. And Ryan Mart Senaka. Shoutout kay Winifredo B. Toston Jr. Happy watching. And shoutout to from Butuan, no? Renner, bit-bit.
James Payusing, when in doubt, shoot there, making his second three-pointer, 2 out of 4 for the three-point line.
Raymart Escobedo. Right after that screen, ito si Ojula. That's a miss para sa kanya as Puyos. Too high yung pasa.
James Payusing, after having the turnover, sabi niya, my bad, my fault. Just need to have a stop here. Babawi yan.
Ojula against Sean Alter. 10 seconds to shoot. Ojula, whoa!
Eman Ojola there. Kayod Marino. And for UP, they let Sean Alters do the job. Don't expect for a help. Depensahan mo. Para matuto ka.
Let's take a look at this move by Emmanuel Ojula. You know, no help defense for UP right there. Kinaing mag-isa ni Ojula.
Karma now, first time here for the Fighting Maroons.
Last night he played and he hit 1 3-point shot, no? For
Yep.
Karma. They go to Palanca at the free throw line. Too strong for Miguel Palanca. 39-31. Calo to Concepcion. 3-point shot for Sherwin.
Parang si Karma, hindi niya alam. Si Concepcion, what's his job? Back in UST Growling Tigers, titira lang to. Hindi nga to nagpapaalam eh.
Oh. Coronel to RV Puyos. 5-minute time remaining. Coronel fires. Misses. Rebound by Sherwin Concepcion. 18 seconds to shoot. Halfway sa ating second quarter. A steal for RV Puyos. 4-40. Coronel over the head pass. Bawi naman si Escobedo as Eman Calo with a door-to-door delivery. (39-36). Municipality of Alicia X Uelic able to cut down the lead. Tatlo na lang po ito. Tignan muna natin ulit yung steal, yung fast break at Eman Calo. And transition with a touchdown. Compared to one nitong UP Fighting Maroons.
Kuya Kim. Thank you, Kuya Kim, for our stats here.
They go to the corner. Coronel tries to attack. Coronel. One-hander. Nope. Rebound Sherwin Concepcion. Kalawit rebound yun. For Sherwin.
Yep, 3 straight stop now for Alicia.
Poste dito. Si Ojola against Alter. Cross-court pass. Calo. Escobedo. All day. Short. Rebound by Karma. RV Puyos naman. Karma. Libre. Dire-diretso. Out of bounds. And we have substitution here. Tignan natin ulit yung shot. Itong si Raymart Escobedo nagmintis yung mga wide open shots. Actually for both teams, you know, for UP, and Alicia Exwilik. We have a timeout, 39-36.
Three minutes and 45 seconds. The score is 36-39.
Municipality of Alicia, Exwilik calls for a timeout.
Both teams now are playing zone. So far, hindi pa ito na sagot ng mga taga-Fighting Maroons.
Concepcion to Aryar, fires. Can't get the bounce. Ojula against a smaller defender, rattles out.
Good backs out there for Tan. Yes, maliit ako, but it doesn't mean I will let you have an easy shot.
No, I love the shoes nitong si Tan, no? GT Cut 1 nga.
First personal foul of the 14.
Limited edition yan ata eh. Or kung di GT Cut 1 yan, baka 3.
Ochala's first throw bucket.
Three minutes and 23. Ojula. Yes, the first one. 39-38, Tan. Goes to Puyos. Palanca. Balik kay Puyos. Puyos misses.
That's the shot that RV Puyos needs to make. That was an open shot for the mid-range.
Eman Calo looking for a second three-point shot. Escobedo. That is a traveling violation.
Clearly a traveling there for Raymar Escobedo.
38-39.
2:57. UP up by 1 point na lang sa ating second quarter. RV Puyos goes to the other side. Oh, nice find to Palanca.
That's how you attack a zone, by attacking the gaps there. Good drive for Ogana, kaya nga nalibre itong Miguel Palanca for his 12th point of the game.
2 minutes and 34. Concepcion from foul.
Oh, Sherwin Concepcion with another big shot.
When in doubt, shoot there for Concepcion, making his second three-pointer of the game.
Ogana's 3 pointers off the markers of foul.
That is a foul on Eman Calo.
Number 19.
Tingnan natin yung shot dito ni Sherwin Concepcion. Kita mo na papasok talaga no? Kasi Concepcion is all the time there, nakaporma na yung Sherwin Concepcion.
Yes, exactly. Yun naman talagang trabaho niya, kaya nga last game, he scored 21 big points.
Oo. Puyos to the other side. How another big shot for UP.
I like that pass back there. Puyos to Ogana. It's now a seesaw battle here. Who will really make shots, especially pag mga zona ninyo, yun talaga nabibigay eh, yung outside shots.
UP again, Ogana, we'll see. That's a back-to-back. Big shot after big shot for Ogana.
Without Maga, without Rimogat, and VJ Pre, who will answer the call? So far, it's Ogana and Payusing.
And this is a high-scoring ball game, Coach. 47-41. Another missed shot. Puyos. Ogana. Palanca. Another 3-point shot. Nope.
Sayang.
Will secure.
Yep, Palangka did not see Tan on that corner. Pwede pa yun one more eh. Yes, open siya pero mas open itong Tan on that corner.
Number 14.
That is a foul on Tan.
Second personal foul on Tan.
So it's a 2 shots for Eman Calo. Penalty situation na pala itong UP.
A minute and 18.
Second at the line for Eman Calo. 2 out of 2.
Alam mo ninyo, yung mga scorer, minsan yun, it just needs a shot lang or a free throw to get you going. Kanina dami niyang miss. But after making that layup, sunod-sunod na.
Tan misses. Another rebound.
Open wide,
One of the oldest rule of basketball, never foul a jump shooter. Especially Ugana, who's making 3 points this quarter. He got 3 already.
Levin's first row bucket.
First free throw is good. This free throw is brought to you by Governor Dr. Ann Hoper.
Ugana 6 points for this quarter, huh? And counting, make that 7 points. Second one, that's a miss for Ugana. Second free throw para sa kanya.
Yes.
Ugana, 8 points now for this guy. For this quarter pa lang yan, ha?
1 more minute.
1 minute. Santos against Tan. No look pass. Ojola sa ilalim.
You know, I understand why Alter is having a hard time sa ilalim kasi yung kabila sa teammates niya hindi bumababa eh, especially on the opposite side of the court.
Puyos. Another jumper. That is good for Puyos.
That time, Puyos making his first jump shot of the game.
35 seconds.
Kanina pinag-usapan natin ninyo, may 3 siyang open shot, hindi niya naipasok. So, yun na, parang narinig tayo.
Santos to Ojola. Wide open. Miss shot gets his own miss. Stolen away by Tan.
Quality minutes for Tan here. Just playing the passing lane.
No more shot clock for Puyos and the rest of UP Fighting Maroons. 8 seconds. Puyos drops it out of bounds. 4.9 seconds.
Yeah, Alter said, my bad. He did not expect that.
Calo na bitawan. Concepcion catches it. Concepcion too strong. And by the way, it's UP basketball. UP up by 6 points, coach.
Yes, exactly. Early on our screen, Coach Goldwyn Monteverde. Ugana, good drive there. Just good defense. Stepping. Ball will go back now for the Fighting Maroons. Again, very important 5 minutes now for Fighting Maroons. Ninyo, kailangan ipagpatuloy nila para yung game momentum nila, it will not like kung ano yung nangyari sa first half.
Payosin gets his own miss. Short rebound for Ugana. Alter wants it, but they go to Palanca. RV Puyos misses. Sean Alter namulot lang doon ng rebound.
Height is might. Good positioning. Yes, si Sean Alter, not that athletic, but he gets the job done. He knows how to really position himself.
45 to 53. Joffrey Santos to the corner. Eman Calo fires for 3. That's a foul on James Payosi. May update pala si Flo Del Agua para sa atin ngayon for UP.
Mula sa dugout ng Alicia Welek, ayon kay Coach Chalito Caro, yung kakulangan daw sa depensa ay isang aspeto lang ng gusto nilang ma-improve dito sa second half. Ang bigger issue para kay Coach Caro, kakulangan sa effort. Pero bukod sa head coach, alam nyo kapansin-pansin na ang nangungunang mag-lead sa huddle kanina ay yung dalawang Emmanuel lang naman, which are Emmanuel Ojola and Eman Calo na nasa free throw line ngayon. And coincidentally, ang magkatukayo din ang leading scorers ng koponan at the half, 12 for Ojola and 9 currently for Calo. Gentlemen.
Thank you so much, Flo. Balikan natin yung report mo kanina, no? Itong si Calo, Abad, Mingito, Ojola, Sanjo. Sino pa ba yung ibang dyan? Sina Tansyong, di ba? Yung mga panalay players. Kilala na nila kung sino yung
Isa't isa,
no?
they know the weaknesses, they know their strength. So, ang ibig sabihin ng dalawang Eman, don't experiment. Play with your strength.
Oo, tsaka play with the things that make us win, coach, right?
Yes, exactly.
Oh, nice bounce pass. Concepcion, hinahanap ni Calo, Mintes. Oop, Tolentino, napasobra.
Oh, mala spider talaga to. Grabe yung katawan eh.
No, diksi talaga no?
Bumaligbag eh. Pwedeng mag-tumbling to.
Neil Tolentino all the way from San Fernando, Pampanga. 8:30. Payosing to Alter. Here comes Sean. Catch and shoot Ogana. That's good for 3.
Good pass. A passing big man Sean Alter to Ogana. Yung sabi ko kanina ninyo na, not that athletic, pero he gets the job done. Mautak eh.
Santos Fires, the producers of that first win itong Alicia Exuelic. Ngayon na game, coach, tahimik. Joffrey Santos, Eman Calo, and Concepcion.
Exactly, especially at the
Mingito.
start of the third quarter. Now, except for the first half na he started, si Ken Salado, ngayon bumalik na for the very first time here in our game. Baka may iniinda to. Tanungin natin mamaya.
15 seconds on the shot clock. 7:50. The give and go. Palanca gets the bounce.
Good slip screen there. Good slide for Palanca. Very unselfish play for Ogana ninyo. Pwede namang itira eh.
58-47. At the post. Ojola to Calo. Shot clock at 9. Concepcion fires. Short. Rebound for Ojola. Kick out kay Calo. Eman tries to attack. Goes to Concepcion for the reverse.
That time, Eman Calo, yes, I'm open from the outside. Medyo wala pumapasok. Pasa natin sa ilalim.
That's a foul on Eman Calo against James Payosing.
As you can see on this replay, it's so nice. We need to see it twice. Like this unselfish play. Calo to Concepcion connection.
Oh, the Basilan Star Horse connection. Eman Calo and Sherwin Concepcion. Payosing on the other side. It's his first one.
7-18.
Second free throw for James Payosing.
Second bounce.
That one is good. 60-49, 7 minutes and 15.
4 minutes.
Third quarter, by the way.
Salado, number 14.
Ojola to Eman Calo. Fires for 3. Gets the bounce. The chance for a 4-point play.
When in doubt, shoot there, Eman Calo. Unselfishness kanina, ngayon, he will try it from the outside as a scorer ninyo. You need really the ball for you to really feel the game.
Coach, a quick shout out lang kay Ate Jingjing Barakil, Mama Hermie, and PM and Mozi og sa tibok Barakil family from Ipil, Zamboanga, Sibugay. Ma'am, happy watching sa inyo dyan from Kuya Vax of Kuya Vax, Batchoy and Barbecue. Wow, floater coming from Coronel. 6 and 45. Salado goes to Emmanuel Ojula. Hanapin si Calo, no? Concepcion fires. That's good for 3.
Now the outside shots of Municipality of Alicia, ex-Relic, pumapasok na. And a surprise defense now. Yes, this is a good decision for Coach Caro na mag-zona kasi nga kanina pa sila nakamano-imano, but Fighting Maroons are really scoring from the inside and outside.
Wow.
As James Bayusing gihungit.
Oo, grabe yung elevation doon, ha, ni James Payosing.
You know, so far what I've seen all tournament long for James Payusing Nino, pag nag-lay-up siya, parang gustong idunk.
Dunk, no? Let's take a look at this. Another replay for James Payosing. Kita mo yan, naiwan niya si Calo doon. Sinukat niya si Emmanuel Ojula, no? Kung sasabay ka, patay ka, sabi ni James Payosing.
Exactly.
6 and 10. Eman Calo will shoot 2 free throws. First one for Eman Calo. Three-point shot, coach. Let's talk about this for Alicia. They have 2 now for this quarter.
Courtesy of Eman Calo and Concepcion.
Payosing. Fakes. Payosing scores!
What a fake there! Napeki talaga itong si King Sanjo. The former Southwestern King Cobra. Huwag na lang natin sabihin anong year yun naglaro siya ng si Safi.
Calo drops it to Sancho for 2.
Both teams now are playing really good basketball.
Payosing now. Forward pass. Eman Calo with the layup. And the stare down to Boss Rambo.
Boss Rambo, Ramses Oligario, the mayor of EPL. Mayong gabi ni Modera. Boss Rambo, thank you for having us here. Oh, Alter, what a pass there again. So far, yung ginagawa ni James Payosing Nino, really slicing in the middle, getting all that gaps, except this shot lang. But every time he has the ball, he wants really always to drive.
And Eman Calo in transition. Kita mo yan, binitbit sa kaliwa. Tinapos sa kanan. Sean Alter, by the way, he was fouled by Neil Tolentino from behind. Sean Alter, second free throw. That's a miss one. And you can see Jacob Baila, Gani Stevens, and some of the squad itong UP Fighting Maroons not suiting up now for their squad, but still up with a big lead.
Yeah, tomorrow maglalaro yan sigurado kasi nga ang house rules natin, at least sa elimination round, you can play 2 games at least to play for the finals or fight for third.
Payosing flies again. And a foul on Sherwin Concepcion. He's still down right now. Tingnan natin, coach, kung gaano kalakas itong drive ni James Payosing.
Oh, parang na saktan sa groin or sa paa. I hope he's okay. He's still down now. James Payosing.
Nahawakan niya yung kanyang kamay, no? Madugo ba? For James for Sherwin Concepcion. Still down now. And the other players, VJ Prey, Rainier Maga, Noiri Mogat, and some yung players nasa sideline. Papulot-pulot lang ng mga mani dito.
Kagaya ng ginawa ni Minguito on their first game 2 days ago. What a game. Up for the books for Ipil Zamboanga Sibugay against the Green Archers, the 2025 champion. It was a double overtime. Again, ninyo, every time lumalaki ang lead ng UP, Willick, Municipality of Alicia always have a run. But for UP, they always have an answer.
69-62. Sanjo wants it. He calls for a screen. Here comes Sherwin Concepcion. Kent Salado. Concepcion the fake. Fly by. Concepcion misses. Rebound tapped by UP to the wrong guy. Here comes Tolentino. Calo tries to drive. That's a foul. That is on Coronel. AJ Coronel with another foul. Eman Calo, let's take a look at that. Oo, kamay na kamay dong yung hawak doon ni Coronel.
Carlos first stroke.
Di makulangan, by the way. Smack now for UP. 4-23. George Coronel. George. Kingsley Odudu checks back here.
And also for Willick, Alicia, itong si Raymar Escobedo and Mingito. Raymar Escobedo needs to be knocking from the outside. Just play his role. You're a shooter. If you're open, take that shot.
Briones denied by Mingito. Here comes Calo. 1 against 2. Eman Calo. Euro step off the glass. Oh no. The mastery of Eman Calo.
I've coached this guy. I played with this guy every year. Really improved para siyang Bino ninyo habang
Oo.
tumatagal.
Lalong gumagaling.
Oo.
Pagaling na pagaling. Tsaka pabata ng pabata yung Eman Calo. Yun lang. What a top coming from Kingsley Odudu.
That's the breaks of the game right there. But Odudu, credit that shot to him. Really working hard against King Sanjo.
Escobedo picks up that dribble. Sherwin Concepcion. Mingito with a fake. Sanjo again to Escobedo. Tries to fire. Misses. 71-66. Di makulangan. That's a illegal screen. That's on Andres.
Again, on that move, kailangan maghintay ni Di Makulangan eh. Nagsiset up pala ng screen itong si Andres. He moved a bit early.
71-66. Shot clock at 18. Sanjo against Kingsley. Sanjo gets the two-pointer.
Landry Sanjo against Odudo. Clearly ninyo, malaki talaga tong Odudo. Compare mo kay Sanjo, but the veteran earlier of King Sanjo, veterano, yung pasensya ninyo, yun yung importante.
Escobedo. RR fires. That is shot.
That is
shot.
his shot there. Kent Ariar, the pride of Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu.
1 point na lang pala ito, coach.
Exactly.
71-70. Coronel pumps in the air, rattles out. Rebound secured by KDRR. Mingito to Escobedo. Sanjo wants it. 1-on-1. Sanjo goes inside, gets the foul against Odudu.
King Sanjo really tested against the young Kingsley Odudu. Kingsley Odudu versus once young Landry Sanjo.
Forever young.
Oh, mga 3 inches siguro yan ninyo, no? Yung height advantage ni Odudu. Missing his first free throw. King Sanjo around 6'6".
Itong si Odudu parang mga
6'8", 6'9",
6'9", no? Tsaka solid yung upper body ni Kingsley Ododo, ha?
Oh, well, they're kind. Yung mga African-American ninyo,
Built-in.
magpo-push up lang yan. Kakats na yan.
Muscle memory, no?
Oo.
Di makulangan. Oh, what a dribble. Yun lang. Odudu against KDRR. What a battle for two fighters. Jump ball. Nakaturo dun. Sa Welik.
Warning! Coach of Alicia Wallach for entering the court illegally. Warning for technical coach. You entered the court. Technical!
Oh, technical for Coach Chilito Caro for entering the court.
You are the coach.
Coach Chilito Calo needs to be careful.
Oo.
He was called for a warning. Now he's called for a technical
Technical.
foul. Sayang, their momentum is nandun na sa
Oo.
Alicia X. Welik.
71 dapat at dating pang oras ang natabi sa laban ito. We still have 11 minutes and 39 in total.
71 all, Coach. But you know how important this minute heading into fourth quarter, no?
Yeah, but still, yun na nga sabi ng Barker, malayo pa to.
Oo. 70-71. It's Alicia's basketball.
Yes, the technical. Yeah, correct.
70-71. Sanjo wants it. Pass deflected. That's a foul on Kingsley Odudu. 2 shots. It's gonna be 2 shots again.
Third on Zico. Again, acknowledging the arrival of Sakondo Sibukay, provincial administrator at Torment Chain and Yenas for Philippines. And welcome once again. And then the 32nd.
First free throw is good for Landry Sanjo. Medyo physical at git-kita na yung laro natin ninyo.
Without unifying rules, 92 ayusin.
1 minute and 25.
Ayusin. The 31.
Oh, Dudu bumawi doon, Coach.
Oh,
ha?
parang nabuhayan siya, nagalit siya. Bakit daw siya yung foul? Hinok daw siya ni Sanjo. Alam mo yung mga galawang smart ninyo, galawang veterano. He needs to learn from King Sanjo.
Jalo off the mark.
Miss shot for Eman Calo.
Unifying rules, Carla. Puyos to Carla. Open wide shot.
That's a foul.
Bad foul there for Andres. Both teams is now on the penalty. 2 free throws now for the deadly shooter, Mengito. As you can see here, yung bawi naman ni Kingsley Odudu.
Number 27.
You reach, I teach.
Fourth personal on the dress.
Andres now has 4th personal foul with 1 full quarter to go.
Mengito's first round.
Mengito missing, uncharacteristic for that guy ninyo. Alam natin, Mengito. He may not know to have that flashy dribbling, flashy in and out, flashy crossover. But when the game is on the line,
Slowly but surely, ito si Mingito. Ayun nga sabi, yung term nga natin sa Bisaya, no? Pamugas.
yes, exactly.
Itong
Piso-piso, pamugas.
Ray Allen ng Lapu-Lapu, no? Upal-upal.
Ulanggo.
Olanggo, Olanggo
Tama
Island.
pala.
Sina Kuya Birame, Monbert Arong, Palangka Short. You know, yung Olanggo Island, daming player na sikat. 2 PBA player, Monbert
marami.
Arong tsaka JB Baio.
Naging first time all-star pa itong JB Bahio.
Oo.
Shout out sa'yo dyan.
JB Bahio is also from San Beda, by the way. 32 seconds.
Alam mo si JB Bahio, hindi siya, I think na-draft siya. Hindi siya nakalaro talaga sa PBA. Naglaro ng MPBL.
BL.
Just working her ass off.
Oo.
Kaya nga nakita siya ni Coach Joyong Yuchiko.
And ngayon, he's an all-star.
Yep.
Eman Calo is hurt here. The mentality nitong si Eman Calo. Though he's still hurt here. Balik ka agad si Eman Calo. 14 seconds, last shot. Poyos fires. Nope. Goes to Palanca. Nasa steal. Calo. Grabe, pag nakahawak talaga ng bola. Out of bounds. Eman Calo. Sakit nung nangyari sa kanya. Pag nakahawak talaga ng bola, wala yung injury.
Oh, ipapagpag yan. Pero, after this game, medyo kailangan niya i-ice yan. We have 2 games. 4 games tomorrow pala. That's the end of our third quarter.
Alongside Coach Paul Joven, Municipality of Alicia ex-Uwelec against the University of the Philippines Fighting Maroons. RV Puyos, attempt kagad. Fourth quarter action po, 1-point lead for UP.
I like the shot of Puyos Dino. He needs to get his confidence going. You're the point guard there without Remogat.
Laundry Sanjo misses that jumper or that drive. 2 free throws for Sanjo. First free throw for Sanjo. Awkward yung release talaga ni Sanjo, coach. But accurate din naman.
Again, may nagpapa-shoutout na naman ninyo. Yung best friend mo, yung BFF mo.
Wow! The Flying Pig ng Lapu-Lapu, ng Paho Lapu-Lapu. Grabe yan nung araw, no? Gabi na ngayon eh.
Oh, Alexander San Pablo. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Cons Alex. May gabi, Idra, amigo. 9 minutes. Opening of this fourth quarter. Napaka-importante na nitong oras nito for both squad natin. RR. To Minguito. Derecho. Vincent Minguito with a big shot.
When in doubt, shoot there. Nakalimutan ni James Payusing. Who? Minggito is.
Pag Vincent Minguito ang iyong pangalan, coach, kahit ganun kalayo, kailangan kang dikitan ng yung defender. Let's take a look at this replay.
As you can see this, it's so nice. We need to see it twice.
Vincent Minguito.
Offensively and pakiramdaman ng sitwasyon. Importante ang communication at bigyan din ng magandang depensa ang kalaban. Back to you, Coach Paul Nino.
Well, thank you so much. Kailangan mo din naman talagang respetuhin yung opponent mo, coach, no?
Never underestimate, especially Minggito.
Palanca misses now. A chance for Uwelec ex Alicia to build their momentum. Minguito again. Minguito is his name. Vincent Minguito.
Yan yung mga player ninyo, hindi mo kailangan bigyan ng kumpiyansa.
It's a foul on Raymart Escobido. Gabi talaga yung Vincent Minguito. Back-to-back 3-pointer for Vincent Minguito.
It's so nice. We need to see it twice. Alam mo naman ninyo, no, ang storya ni Vincent Minguito.
Oo.
Heavily recruited back in his time from CIT. Gusto ng FEU tama raw eh.
Oo.
Nakasama pa si Barkley Ibondia doon. And yun na nga, ang natuloy doon, si Barkley lang.
Whoa! Erased by Sanjo.
Sabi ni King Sanjo, erase, erase, erase.
Kita mo naman, sinalubong talaga sa ere, no? King Sanjo denying that shot.
Who says I'm old?
Puyos fires. Miss shot, rebound Minguito.
The shots are not falling now for the Fighting Maroons. Who will answer for Coach Gold Monteverde?
Minguito. Too strong. That was a heat check. Pero okay lang yun if you are Minguito. Di makulangan. That's a foul on Salado.
Good pass there. Transition pass to Ugana. To Dimacolangan. Alam mo yung mga sabi na coach na balik ka sa depensa. Napaganda pa. Hindi bumalik. Nag-fast break pa.
Oo. Di makulangan at the line. First one.
8 minutes left. Clearly, Nino, the momentum is with the Municipality of Wilik X or Municipality of Alicia X Wilik Tracking Services.
Substitution tayo. Eman Calo is back. Pinagpag lang o hinigpitan yung sintas?
Mga old school style.
Oo.
Pag natapilo ka, higpitan mo lang yung sapatos mo.
76-81. Sanjo against Alter. 12 seconds to shoot. Sanjo. Nope. Kalawit rebound naman dito ng UP. James Payosing. Fakes. That's a foul on Eman Calo.
James Payusing nagsorry kay Dimacolangan eh. Medyo 0.5 second late yung pasa.
7:45, 81, 76. First row pocket.
Di makulangan. This is his third straight attempt from the free throw line, ha?
So far, so good. This is the first time I've seen this guy play.
Oo. Didn't play for their previous two games, coach.
Oh,
No?
but nakita ko, crafty defender. He's just trying to really blend in for the system of Coach Goldwyn Monteverde.
81-78.
Good switch there.
Salado against Puyos. Two talents from Mindanao. That's a foul on RV Puyos.
Taga Davao ba si Ken Salado? Hindi,
Cagayan. Cagayan, oo. Under, sila ni Gio Alalon, under ni Coach Boy, Dacoco.
Corpus Christi ba yun o Shake
Oo,
Heart?
Corpus.
Or Shake
That time.
Sige lang.
Corpus
Check.
pa that time.
Check natin yan.
12 seconds on the shot clock. Eman Calo. Sanjo wants it against Alter. No look pass. KD Arya too strong. Agawan ng bola. Puyos gustong sumundot. Here comes Ugana. Siya lang mag-isa. Ugana spins. Stolen away by Mingito. That is a foul against Dimacolangan.
Good foul there for Dimacolangan. Clearly, that's a 3 against 2 fast break for Municipality of Alicia. I like this substitution. Bumalik na itong si Eman Ojola. Not playing 100% Nino.
But still, kita natin no? Quality numbers and quality playing time for Emmanuel Ojola, though he's not 100%. 81-78. Ken Salado magbibitbit. The conductor. Salado. Concepcion. Alters. Nope. KD Aryar. Goes reverse. Sayang yun for Aryar.
Exactly. Breaks up the game eh. May mga 50-50 balls, yung mga point blank range.
6 minutes. Dimacolangan fires. And gets that one.
Clearly, he's hesitating. Dribbling 1 and 2. But rather, deciding to shoot that 3. That is his first 3-point of this tournament.
First 3-point shot ni Dimacolangan of this tournament. But for this ball game, 9 3-point shots now for UP as Payosing gets the foul. And a foul on Calo.
I like this substitution. Ududu now bumalik for Sean Alter. So far, Sean Alter versus King Sanjo. Maganda yung labanan sa ilalim. Kanina kasi ito si Ududu Nino. Clearly, nautakan talaga ni Sanjo.
Yup, oo. Payosing. That's a steal. Almost a steal na. Aryar fires. Nope. UP with a big rebound. Tie ball game. Ugana. Nope. Puyos not looking.
It's okay. You need for the next play. Okay lang yan. Kaya nga pinalaro sila ganito ni Coach Goldwyn, yung mga rookie.
Oo.
They need to experience this kind of game.
Aryar misses. Agaw ng rebound. Ugana will secure this one for UP.
What a close ball game we have here. Both teams playing 2-3 zone.
Puyos with a fake. Pull up. Miss shot. James Payosing. Ugana fires. Wow! Look at the trust of James Payosing to Ugana, no?
Exactly. Again, kanina, open na open itong Di Makulangan. Hindi nakita ni James Payosing. Pero may hinahanap pala siya. Itong si Ugana has 4.3 points made so far of the game. Calo again trying to answer that.
Pero may foul on Ugana. Let's take a look at this shot nitong si Ugana kanina. Easy basket for UP that time. Just James Payosing, sabi niya, doon ka sa corner. Binigay yung bola. Dinerecho eh, no?
Exactly. With the 2-3 zone, yung mga corner, tsaka especially yung mga wing na gaps dyan,
Gap.
may ma-open talaga dyan.
Eman Calo will shoot 3 free throws here.
Four fouls for number 11, Ugana.
Ugana has 4 fouls right now. Medyo problema yan, coach, kasi is leading the squad in score.
Exactly.
83-84.
2 out of 2 so far for Eman Calo, former UV Green Lancers.
And shot for Eman. 84-83. RV Puyos to Di Makulangan. Ugana. Di Makulangan misses. Oh! What a putback coming from James Payosing.
Oh, alam mo, James Payosing, small guard, playing guard from the outside, really loves playing inside now.
Nautakan niya sa positioning doon sa Salado. Ojula against Ododu. Ojula. That's a foul and one for Emmanuel Ojula. Let's take a look at this in our replay. Nag-help doon si James Payosing. Kita nitong si Ojula. Libreng-libre.
Oh, foul talaga. Yung kamay niya, his left hand nasa baba eh.
Nakasandal talaga eh, no? Yun, doon, babang-baba.
Exactly. Bonus free throw now for the former FEU Tamaraw, Eman Ojola. Player ko rin to nyo. Nung nag-champion kami last year sa Dayo 23.
Oo, Dayo 23. 3-point play. Tie game, 86 all.
All right, 86 all. That situation was that tie score, 86.
4 minutes time remaining. RV Puyos drops it. Di nakuha doon ni Ododu.
Oh, pa-layup na yun eh. Eman Ojola not known to be a shot blocker.
Calo. Cross-court pass. Good read by Di Makulangan. Di Makulangan tries to drive. Stolen away, but the dive of Ododu. Steal by Mingito. Calo against Puyos. Concepcion. Back to Calo. Santos. Concepcion gets the 3-point foul right there. What a high IQ play for Sherwin Concepcion.
Magulang. As you can see on this replay, Eman Calo Santos to Concepcion. Dalawa yung napeke doon. Yun na nga, stepping lang. Good call there, referee there.
Yun yung Poli na foul sa
Against
against
China.
Taipei. Oh.
China,
Against Taipei.
yung pang-overtime.
Oo. Di, yung nanalo sila 1 point.
China ata yun.
China ba yun o Chinese Taipei?
Nakalimutan ko.
Basta yun, di ba?
Basta Gilas, Pilipinas
Oo,
sila.
sinalubong
Oo.
Good fake.
87-86, Alyssa winning now by 1.
Crucial free throws here for Sherwin Concepcion.
Alter comes back in na ninyo. Kailangan na siya bumalik. For the Fighting Maroons, again, shout out Jonas Panerio.
Uy,
Sabi niya, sayang hindi daw siya nakapunta doon. Ikaw kasi, sa norte lang, hindi ka,
sinamahan.
hindi ka sumasama sa amin
Oh,
eh.
lalo na dito.
Hindi, gusto pala niya because of the UP. Taga-UP siya.
Ay,
kasi.
oo. Boss Jonas Panerio, maing gabi Idira.
Mabuhay ka
Kamusta ang buhay-buhay?
hanggat gusto mo.
86-88.
Ganda ng labanan dito.
3 minutes, time remaining. Di makulangan. Fires for 2. Sean Alter out of bounds.
Di Makulangan asking for a foul there on the challenge of Eman Ojola.
And we have a timeout coming from Welik.
Very good job. May noodles ka ninyo.
Oh. Back to our ball game, coach. Welik's possession here. 88-86. 2 and 15. Ojola, naghahanap ng kakampi. Good top by Di Makulangan. Poyos. Denied by Mingito. The save by Jeffrey Santos. Hindi na humabol. O hindi na nakahabol.
Oh, sayang. Nabitawan yun ni Puyos. Ill-advised drive there. Needs to be patient with under 3 minutes left here.
Ojola wants it. They go cross court to Eman Calo. Tahimik ngayon si Eman Calo. Santos with a fake. Mingito fires. Misses. Sean Alter taps it to Mingito. Sherwin Concepcion. 2 shooters pala to, coach.
Tatlo nga eh.
Mingito brings it. Mingito taps it. Stolen away by James Bayosing. 2 and 15. Corner 3. That's good again for UP.
Payosing that time. Very patient on that fast break. Hinanap talaga niya. Itong shooter who's very hot all throughout the game. Itong si Ugana. That is his 5th 3-pointers of the game.
And for this ball game, coach, meron na silang 11 3-point shot and kalawit rebound pa for Ugana.
Last 2 minutes na tayo. Ugana now. Pag isa to, heat check na to.
Payosing misses that one.
That's a bad shot there for James Payosing. Akala ko, aatake niya. Sana dun sa side ni
Okay,
Ugana eh.
Another steal coming from Di Makulangan. 2 crucial steals para sa kanya.
Exactly. That's what I told you earlier. You know, crafty defender. And also, he's long.
And also may confident na bumitaw.
Oo.
Di Makulangan. Payosing all day. Payosing rattles out. 2 miss na yon for James Payosing.
Yes. Kailangan niya atakihin sa side ni Ugana kasi
Oo, no?
kanina pa yun nakakashoot eh.
Santos fires. Big 3 coming. Nope. That's a foul on Ojola. That's the foul of Emmanuel Ojola, coach, at 2 shots. Crucial big free throws for Sean Alter.
You know, iba kasi yung, how do you call this? The pressure shooting sa UAAP. Pag ganito, may bitaw to si Sean Alters eh, but missing his first free throw.
Miss shot for Sean Alter.
Still anybody's ball game here. Again, thank you, Governor Ann Hofer, and of course, Vice Governor, first-time Vice Governor, Richard Rick Oligario. Boss, Wick.
Boss, okay. Under a minute, coach. 2-point lead for UP.
Apat na shooter to.
Calo fires. Big shot for Calo. Miss. Ojula. Pressure Sancho. Missing that one. The dive. Goes to Sherwin Concepcion. Minguito for 3. That's good! For Vincent Minguito.
1, 2, 3. When in doubt, shoot!
Wow, Vincent Minguito. Ang pressure lang na alam niya ay yung pressure cooker nila.
From Olango Island.
Vincent Minguito. Look at that shot. Kalkulado for Vincent Minguito. Nothing but net for Mingming. And the handoff for Sherwin Concepcion. From Sherwin Concepcion.
Kanina, Nino, we talk about out now for UP left and dalawa. Tama ba? Parang dalawa for Alicia X Willick.
Don't move muna. Wala pa. Hindi pa nabigay yung bola. Puyos to James Payosing. Payosing. Drops it to Sean Alter. Lead change. UP up by 1.
What did I tell you, Nino? Anong sabi ko sa'yo kanina? Kailangan atakihin. Tinawag ko si James. Atakihin mo. You're very good, especially going downhill. And yun na nga, lamang na naman. Itong Fighting Maroons, James Payosing, he can dance, he can pass, and Alter with that finish.
Sean Alter right there. A big moment for him. But James Payosing, credit to him, attracting the defense. Kita mo, coach, no? Dalawa yung nakuha nitong si James Payosing. And James
Will make a field goal.
34.9. Half-court inbound for Alicia X Willick. Sancho will receive this one. Escobedo against RV Puyos. Escobedo. Calo for 3. Calo misses. Rebound. Andito. Saan papunta? That is a foul on Sherwin Concepcion.
That was a good pass by Escobedo to Calo. That's a good shot. Hindi pa rin to tapos. 2 free throws now for Ogana.
Look at that last possession, coach, no? Grabe yung bola. Di niya alam kung saan siya pupunta.
Breaks of the game. Hard work pays off here. It's still anybody's ball game. As you can see, all the fans here inside Ipil, Jim, Mayor, Rambo, Oligario. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Ogana, this guy misses that free throw, but coach, his timely shots here makes the UP up by 1 point.
Alam mo, Nino, ganito, hindi baling, hindi ka shooter ka ba? Ang importante sa mga ganito, puso. 1 out of 2 there for Ogana, who's been the highest score.
Nating nanonood, bukas po, umaga po tayo mag-uumpisa.
Oh.
It's gonna be 8 a.m. our first game, and then next game will be 10 a.m.
And then sa gabi na, alas
Ang
6
gabi na, oo.
and alas 8.
4 na games pala tayo bukas. So now, Eman Calo, Sancho wants it. Will they go for the quick 2? Sancho against Alter. Sancho to tie the game!
That time, UP Fighting Maroons don't want to give that 3-point shot, Nino. That's why they did not double on that post-action play for King Sancho. Parang sabi ni Coach Goldwyn Monteverde, Sean, I trust you. Mano a mano.
One-on-one that time, Sancho against Sean Alters. So they will inbound full court, no?
Yes, para hindi mag-14.
Oo. So no more shot clock here. One-on-one ito. Puyos against Salado.
Exactly.
12 seconds to shoot. One-on-one. Ugana to tie the game. Ugana! Wow! Big shot! No more timeout. No more timeout. Eman Calo to tie the game. Calo. Nope. Escobedo and UP Fighting Maroons. Ugana is his name, coach.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ugana! Oh!
Whoa! What a celebration for UP Fighting Maroons. And what a win for them, coach. And what a way to win this game.
RUSSELL. Russell Ugana. It's so nice. You need to say it twice. As UP Fighting Maroons, sabi ni Ugana, I understand wala nang Alarcon, wala na yung Fab Five. Pero he's ready to help here for Coach Goldwyn Monteverde, giving them their second win here in our tournament.